Are you guys going to drink your milk?
Yeah.
Yeah, from your cereal?
You gonna drink the milk?
Is that your milk?
Mom.
Yeah?
Mom.
Is that your milk? Uh-oh. Oh, are you scooping it up, Ethan? Are you scooping it up your milk? Num num. Wow. You guys gonna scoop up your milk? Wee. Ah, good job, boys. Yeah.
Wow. Go. Go.
Oh, typical.
Go.
Pick it up and drink it.
Are you gonna drink it? Use both hands.
It's okay.
Use both
It's okay.
hands.
Use both hands, dude.
Use both hands. They need help. Wait. You gonna use both hands?
Well, it's okay.
Oh.
Use both hands. There you go. Now drink it.
Use both hands. Aiden, Lee. He's already dumped most of it down his throat.
Use both hands. Use both hands.
There you go. Good job. Good job, guys.
Drink it. There you go.
Now that's how you finish your cereal. Good job.